We'll start with the first one, excluding inactive warehouses from inventory planning. In previous versions, when a warehouse was marked inactive, MRP or DRP would still consider supply and demand related to the inactive warehouse and still planned it as if it were still active. Now, with 2024 R1, when a warehouse is made inactive by clearing the active checkbox, this will automatically deselect all of the selections previously made on the Inventory Planning tab. Let's see how this works. I've already generated Inventory Planning, and I see that for the Keurig, I have planned orders for the wholesale warehouse and the old warehouse. Both warehouses are currently active. Let's say we move all of our inventory from the old warehouse to the wholesale warehouse, and now we need to mark the warehouse as not active. Notice, now when I deactivate the warehouse, my inventory planning settings are also deactivated. Now, when I regenerate inventory planning, the regeneration process does not include inactive warehouses. And when I go to the inventory planning display and I refresh, I no longer see the planned orders for the old warehouse.